Hi guys, in this video I make a side dish and it is called chicken shredded with cucumber and roasted sesame seeds. I use half chicken and I peel off the skin already, and it is already marinated with seasoning mixed with salt and pepper. We need also one cucumber, and I will show you later how to peel the skin and cut into strips. And these are the ingredients that we are going to use later. So we have the seasoning, chicken powder, white pepper, sesame seeds, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and we need also some salt and sugar. So we need also some ginger for steaming the chicken. So we put under the chicken and we steam the chicken for 20 minutes. Let's wait to boil the water before steaming the chicken, and we will steam the chicken for 20 minutes. Be sure the water is boiling before steaming the chicken, and we steam it for 20 minutes and we use the timer. I peeled the cucumber like this and I cut into 4 pieces and also remove the seeds of the cucumber like that, and also I cut into 3 to 4 pieces so that it is uniform when we shredded the cucumber like that. So it looks uniform because I cut in the same size. The shredded cucumber, we need to add some salt and let's keep it in the fridge for a short while. We need to mix the salt and the cucumber before keeping it into the fridge. Our steamed chicken is ready, so we need to cool down first. Mix all the ingredients for seasoning and we will add to our chicken cucumber later. And our shredded chicken is ready, so we will mix the cucumber and also we will add a seasoning with roasted sesame seeds at the last after mixing all the ingredients together.